How to see Snapchat stories without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see Snapchat stories without them knowing. Now as you know, the security or the privacy on Snapchat is very tight, and if you watch any stories they'll be notified. If you watch any snaps they'll be notified. If you screenshot them or screen record them they'll be notified. Now the only way to overcome this situation or to view Snapchat stories without them knowing is to create a dummy or fake account. What you can do is create a fake account or create a dummy account, and then you can head into that account, log into that account, and once you log into that account you can open up that account and add friend through that account, and you can watch their stories. If they have the public profile you'll be able to view them without adding them friend. However, if they don't have public profile, what you want to do is simply add them friend through your dummy account and you'll be able to watch their stories without letting them know that you have watched it through your main account. You can either watch it through your fake account. So this is the only way you can see Snapchat stories without them knowing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.